Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the failed to find Roblox process KRNL injector error you are getting on your Windows PC. Let's go! The first thing that we have to make sure is that your Roblox application is not running on your PC, and search for percentage app data percentage in your start menu search. After hitting enter, your file explorer will then open up. Navigate to roaming and find the KRNL folder. Now you have to proceed to delete this folder and then navigate to the local section of your app data and find the Roblox folder. Within the Roblox folder, locate and delete the logs folder. Once this is done, you can proceed to close your file explorer and ensure your antivirus is currently not running while we reinstall the missing Roblox files. Now we have to head over to roblox.com and proceed to play any Roblox experience. The website will try to launch Roblox and install all the missing files we just deleted. This should fix the failed to find Roblox process error you're getting. You may also use the Microsoft version of the game to circumvent this and many other issues you can get when using the web version of Roblox. And yeah, those are just some tips on how you can fix the failed to find Roblox process KRNL injector error.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.